live through this. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified. For me born on the earth is a risk. I'm blessed, I'm sanctified.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
Get that piece off me, okay?
Nut. Guys, I just spruced up her room. She has 1,000,001 suitcase like she travels every week of the year. Log on, I step up.
Man.
Log on, cause you know someone log on. Yo, I'm a lunatic. Living lunatic.
No, you're not a lunatic, you're a Looney Tunes.
Looney Tunes. If I'm Looney Tunes.
This don't take me time.
Why did you let mom scorch it, wash it out?
Let your mom go and wash your face, okay?
Yo, you're not going to disrespect my mother like that. Yo, my mom's a soldier. Guys, my mom's
I'm a soldier. I'm a neighbor. Tika Lawata. I like a Lawata and the fuck it in it. The thief one bun.
A bun?
It's a bulb. I wanted to put somewhere.
Where did you steal a bulb?
Bubble gum the panny.
Where are you gonna put the bulb, Leash? Oh, it's energy efficient. I wonder if it's yellow or is it off? Okay.
No, turn me on it.
No. Leisha, while you're up there, take the broom and
when me come back, it's no drop on the bed. Turn me on, Missy sitting stuff.
My girl, huh?
They wanna know, no, still in use, so I'm not gonna show it.
No, why would you throw it away? That's a waste. That's a waste, my girl. Guys, my aunt is leaving.
Take that piece off me, okay?
Mm-hmm. Rapunzel is leaving. What inches is your hair? 49?
57.
Mm-mm. You say hot and a hot say you, my girl. So guys, dang, I look like I'm gaining weight. I look like I'm getting thick, girl.
Stop looking for me, I'm not lost, you stupid.
Guys, I am eating wine cake from Jamaica. Where? Time and Patience Bakery and Patience. I just swept. Yo, Mom is always classing you. Yo, when I tell you,
do that chance.
Mom, you know I'm the original dancehall queen. Yo, Mom, you don't rate the boss, okay?
The uniform she put on.
Yeah, I was dancing. I'm tired.
Yeah, okay. You have put on uniform, Lois? No, it's pretty. How should she get drinks and bun?
Wine cake. Mom, it's sweet when it's cold.
You ready?
You ready, Mommy? This one was no more.
Drink this one, no, belly full. Get rid of that garbage. What's on the room?
Make up the pine and ginger. How does the song go?
Pine
and ginger.
I'm ready for my
Let me come out of people's headquarters when I want me in here. In her. Let me see if I left anything. Nope. Okay. Guys, pine and ginger. Guys, we're about to get ready to go. You guys, we're in the grocery store. Pine and ginger.
You want one and cheese?
Yeah. Simple. Guys, we're in the grocery store. We're going to country now. My aunt just left.
Roll out with the Benz in the night of the black spider. From a little bit mama told me, reach for the sky and dread. Me no worry about bad mind, cause me know she a fast and pray. Me no make them break my mates, no them can't break my mates. Bad mind can't break my mates, haters can't break my mates. Me no make them drain me energy. No, 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 no.
Guys, we are at the school. We're at the school to see the meet and get ready for tomorrow. Huh?
I don't want anybody shouting at me.
Grandma, I'm not coming back for a while. I'm just not. Grandma, you want to say hi to the people? Which people? The YouTube people. Guys, they're preparing. The one thing, some people don't like camera, Grandma. You think they'll get embarrassed?
Then go tell them so we want to go for go cook, so you take them.
They don't want to be on camera, do they?
No, and them are trying to cook inside the food. You want to put mirror to open some?
Go up.
Sometimes some people go to restaurants when you're there and go in there. You understand? And then when they say them a big chef, they cook a restaurant too.
Alright.
I see it. Yeah?
Yeah, that's done there now.
Water or warm?
No man, you put it in. And keep with the water. Then you will.
You know, frying on chicken tomorrow, you Miss White? Yeah, man. You?
You still in fried chicken, man.
Yeah, man.
People in fried chicken. And you cook brown stew.
Alright.
Back to that one.
Double it.
Double it back.
Yeah man, 2 bags in that one. Here, make the bag touch wrong. Yeah. It touch wrong.
Half fried going in.
Cook it like you cook.
Half fried they go in there. We put half in that one and half in that one. Come, pull out that QA. You can say you can't do a dog up yourself.
fly up the high. High like a Emirates Dubai. Okay, that what that you try. That show your money, how shit you go buy. Frass up man, frass up man, frass up. Big and just split when me knock out. Lift up the air, a 15 me clap out. So me feel good when me see weed a rap out.
Guys, we're in the supermarket. Who is here? The lunatic is there.
Lisha, take our next trolley. I don't want to push on the trolley.
Guana, a hot girl Charlie, no. Hi, hey. So we have noodles, coconut milk, butter, file paper, lunchbox, flour, water, Malta, ketchup, browning, ice bags, green peas, mango, mayonnaise, dish towel, I don't know what grandma wrote, and baking powder. Hi, not
family. I me say family. Me love me fam them to me heart. You know the direct one of them. Real kill it to the end. They from me start. Real better them. But them don't know when we are buy 3 sardines.
Cow foot? Is it cow foot? Whole foot? Whole foot? Whole foot. Cow foot. Pull up on the key. Motherfucker wanna text me. Pull up on the key. Pull They must say these two lunatics. It's already fried or they fry it? Pull up on the kid. Motherfucker wanna test me. Pull up on the kid. Pull up on the kid. Irk. Bends to the beamer. Jeep. Beep. Yo, I'm gonna have to eat my vessel right now. You're not hungry? You ate? No. I'm starving. That's like my earrings. Dude, my skin is yellow as hell and I'm oily. Why can't they just give a beat? Ready? Come so.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Guys, we just got home. Mom's here. We have stuff for the Do you like Leisha's new light? Because remember, when I'm in here I'm looking yellow. Now look at her night. She has a new light, guys. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. Good girl went shopping. Let's do a haul. Let me see. Then
don't touch nothing. It don't get leaked.
Pine and ginger. Leash. Miss Jules B said hello.
Miss who?
Jules B. She's a YouTuber. Big up yourself, Jules B. I was talking to you today. Jules B.
Who is that?
She is, I think she's from England, and she is a YouTuber, and she said to tell your auntie big up herself. So me I send on the message, my girl. What do you, huh? So Miss Jules B, I have sent on the message. Would you like to say something to Jules B? Say hello. Where are you?
Hello. Cup of tea.
Yes, my English excellent. Yeah. My girl.
Me buy one deodorant.
Yes, Miguel. That me use.
Girl, it just liquid everything.
Pine engine. Leisha, so how come you're not spraying your bathroom before you put up your stuff? You don't have no style, my girl. Let me lock you out of your phone.
Don't tell me phone. Don't lock nothing there.
This right, you're gonna put it in the fridge. Barbie likes it cold. Guys, I'm eating food. Will there be ice there? No, I was saying for Barbie. She likes the rum cream cold. I didn't know if you're gonna put it on the fridge or just use ice. Where did you eat? Why do you have baby wipes? Oh, fancy. I just use regular degular toilet paper. Guys, so today we seasoned up the meat for tomorrow and Saturday, and now it's go time from here.